The Hamilton Food Bank is one of 2 food banks here in Skagit County alone that have closed because most of their volunteers are seniors who are especially susceptible to coronavirus. The situation growing so bad all across the state that the governor is now calling in the National Guard. Carrie Dyers is one of the countless volunteers on the front lines of this pandemic. With the local food bank here closed due to coronavirus concerns, she's going door to door delivering food to children. Some of these homes are hot zones with infected people. She never knows what she might find behind the door.
But what I know for sure is behind the door is some kids who could use some food for the weekend, and so that makes it worth me coming out here.
With Skagit County food banks increasingly forced to shut down to keep their volunteers safe, the Helping Hands Food Bank in Sedro-Woolley is stepping up to help. They're delivering meals to their neighbors and surrounding communities. 1,500 today alone.
Yeah, it's exhausting. So yeah.
With volunteers falling ill and continuing to put themselves at risk, Executive Director Becky Larson says she needs outside help now.
I've honestly drawn the line as if they don't help, I'm going to raise my hand and say, we can't do this anymore. Like we can't put ourselves at risk without extra help.
Governor Inslee is now mobilizing 200 National Guard members to help. Men and women like Iraq War veteran Isaac Beagle, who are happy to help out on the home front.
Well, considering some of the struggles I've gone through, it feels good to be able to give back because I've had to get some help in the past myself.
The Guard can't come soon enough to Skagit County, where an additional 1,600 new families asked for food last month alone.
I need them. I need them now.
That help is now on the way. The Guard began deploying yesterday. Help is expected here in Skagit County by Monday. In Hamilton, Eric Wilkinson, King 5 News.